Good morning, Miss and friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kathleen Kyuk. I am from the Biology Study Program. Now I will explain the material the first one. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is one of the tense forms in English that is used to describe actions or continuous that occur in general habitually. Here is a brief explanation of simple present tense. Formula for positive sentence: for subject I, we, you, we, they, subject place, verbs 1, phrase form of verb. For subject he, she, it, subject place she, at or es. For negative sentence, for all subject, subject place do or does, place not, place verbs 1. For interrogative sentence, for subject I, we, I, you, we, they, you, place subject place verb 1. For subject he, she, it, does, place subject place verb 1. Example: positive sentence: I ate breakfast every morning. She likes reading books. Negative sentence: I don't like coffee. Play football. Interrogative sentence: do you like music? Does she speak English? Using simple present tense is used to describe occur habitually or routinely. Factual or general conditions, universal of or scientific truth. Inductions of commands. To simple present tense helps us to describe actions or conditions that occur generally or habitually. A second, simple present tense is used will be done in the near future. They tear. Simple past tense is one of the tense forms in English that I use it to describe actions of or conditions that occur in the past and have been complete. Here is a brief explanation of simple past tense. Formula for positive sentence. For all subject plus verbs to second form of verb. For negative sentence. For all subject plus did plus not plus verb 1. For integrated sentence. For all subject did plus subject plus verb 1. Example, positive sentence. I went to school yesterday. She had breakfast this morning. Negative sentence. I did not watch TV last night. They did not go to the beach. Integrative sentence. Did you finish your homework? Did she call you yesterday? Usai. Simple past tense is used to describe actions that happened in the past and have been complete. Conditions that happened in the past, historical events or past occurrence. This simple past tense helps us to describe actions or conditions that happened in the past and have been complete. Repair. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are taking place at the present time or around the present time. Here is a brief explanation of present continuous tense. Formula. Positive sentence subject plus is, are, I am, are plus verb ing. Negative sentence subject plus is, are, I am, are or are plus not plus verb ing. Integrative sentence is or I am or are plus subject plus verb ing. Example, positive sentence. I am studying English now. She is watching TV. Negative sentence. I am not playing football. They are not eating dinner. Integrative sentence. Are you studying? Are you studying for exam? Is she working on a project? Usai. Present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are ongoing at the moment, actions that are planned or scheduled to be done in the near future. Actions that are going temporarily. Thus, present continuous tense helps us to describe actions that are going or will be done in the near future. Words that are often used with present continuous tense. Now, at the moment, currently, right now, describe actions or conditions that occur in general, habitually, or factually. Here is a brief explanation of simple present. Formula: positive sentence, subject, place, verb 1, reads from a verb. Negative sentence, subject, place, do or does, place not, place, verb 1. Integrative sentence, do, or does, place, subject, place, verb 1. Example: positive sentence, I get breakfast every morning. She likes reading books. Negative sentence, I don't like cooking. He don't play football. Integrative sentence, do you like music? Does she speak English? Usai, simple present is used to describe actions that occur habitually or routinely, factual or general conditions, universal or scientific truths, indications or commands. Thus, simple present helps us to describe actions or conditions that occur generally or habitually. By using this word can make it clear that the going action is happening at the moment. Basics: present progressive. Present progressive, also known as present continuous, is used to describe actions that are currently happening or around the present time. Formula: positive sentence, subject, place is, are, I am, or are, place, verb ing. Negative sentence, subject, place is, or I am, or are, place not, place, verb ing. Question sentence, is, or I am, or are, place, subject, place, verb ing. Example: positive sentence, I am studying for my exam. They are playing soccer in the park. Negative sentence, she is not watching TV right now. We are not going to the movies tonight. Question sentence, are you working on a project? Is he studying for his test? Usai progressive is used to describe action happening at the present moment. Actions plan or scheduled to happen so. Tempora action. This present progressive helps us describe ongoing or near future actions. Words commonly used with present progressive. Now, at the moment. English the help clarify that the action is happening now. Day 7. Present perfect tense is a past tense is English used to express. Number 1. An action that happened is the past and is still connected to the present. Number 2. Live experiences. Number 3. An action that's what you complete. Present perfect formula. Positive sentence. Subject plus have or has plus verb 3. Negative sentence. Subject plus have or has plus not plus verbs 3. Integrative sentence. Have or has plus subject plus verbs 3. Example sentence. Positive. I have finished my homework. She has visited Bali. Negative. They have not seen the movie. He has not yet breakfast. Question. Have you done your project? Has she arrived? Common time experience on usage. Ever, never, judge, already, yet, recently. Example. I have judged Yaden. Have you ever been to Jakarta? She has not finished her text yet. The 8. Present perfect continuous tense is a tense in English used to express an activity that occurred in the past and is common theme experiences for science lightly and recently. The nine will and going to are two forms of future tense in English used to express plans, predictions, or decisions that will happen. Number one, will formula positive subject plus will plus verbs one. Negative subject plus will not want plus verbs one. Integrative will plus subject plus verbs one. Usai of will. Spontaneous decisions. Examples: I am thirsty. I will drink some water. Promises or offers. Example: I will help you. Predictions without strong evidence. Example: I think it will rain tomorrow. Number two, going to. Formula positive subject plus I am or is or are plus going to plus verb one. Negative subject plus I am or is or are plus not plus going to plus verbs one. Integrative I am or is or are plus subject plus going to plus verbs one. Usai of going to. Planet action decided before speaking. Example: I am going to visit grandma this weekend. Predictions with present evidence. Example: look at Oswald. It's going to rain. Main difference. Will student session promise general predictions. Going to plain actions evidence base predictions. Example difference. I will call him choose decided. I am going to call him already planned. The 10 modals are auxiliary verbs used to express ability, promission, possibility, obligation, question, and initiation. Types of modals and their function. Number one, can or could. Can possibility. Example, he might come late. Number 3, most strong obligation or necessity. Example, you must wear a helmet. Number 4, shall or shall offer or suggestions formal. Example, shall we go? Shall advice or meal obligation. Example, you shall study more. Will or wall. Will, future or promise. Example, I will help you. Wall, polite request or past habit. Example, were you